Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. This problem involves identifying the starting material, A, in a reaction described in Q55. Based on the context of MS Chauhan problems of this type, Q55 likely involves a nucleophilic substitution or rearrangement reaction. The product of the reaction from A would be determined by the reaction conditions given in Q55. Reasoning: the reaction in Q55 involves compound A undergoing a transformation. Given that the answer is option A, compound A is a spiro compound consisting of a cyclohexene ring containing one double bond with a CH2 OH tosylate group and an OH hydroxyl group at the spirocarbon junction with a cyclopentane ring. The tosylate OH group on the CH2 makes it a good leaving group, and the adjacent OH group makes it susceptible to various reactions such as intramolecular cyclization or solvolysis. The CH2 OH group can participate in an SN1 or SN2 reaction or undergo neighboring group participation with the OH. In Q55, the reaction likely converts the CH2 OH group, example, by hydrolysis, substitution, or elimination, to give a specific product. Option A, with CH2 OH and OH, is the logical precursor because the OH is a leaving group that can be displaced. The OH can participate in neighboring group participation or be the nucleophile. Options B, has the groups swapped, CH2OH and OH on carbon, which would be a different connectivity. Option C, has CH2CH3 instead of CH2 OH, so no leaving group is present for the reaction. Option D, is an aldehyde product, which would be a product rather than the starting material with OH. The starting material, A, with CH2 OH and OH, option A, is consistent with undergoing the reaction described in Q55 to give the observed product, as the tosylate is the reactive site. Why other options fail? B has OH at the spirocarbon, tertiary OH, and CH2OH. This is a different regiochemistry and would react differently. C has CH2CH3 with no leaving group, cannot undergo the substitution reaction described. D is an aldehyde ketone product, not a suitable starting material with a tosylate leaving group. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.